Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Rishika and I'm so excited to see all of you here. If you're new to this channel, then please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about something that's coming into our lives. A new year, a fresh beginning, 2025. Now, if you're someone who always has a resolution list, a list of things that you want to follow when the new year begins, then this video is for you. If you have not planned how to end your year in a right way, then join me. So, I am going to be following 5 habits for the next 5 weeks before 2025. So, beginning with the first habit that I have set for myself, that is having a good morning routine. I am a person who loves spending time with myself, and that 1 hour in the morning that I get away from the world where everyone is sleeping or everybody is in their things, but I give it to only myself. It recharges me not only for the day, but for week, like 2-3 more days. And I'm like, if that part of the day has so much energy and it can give you so much energy, then why not do it every day? So my first goal is to have a good morning routine. Now, generally in my morning routine, the things that I do is obviously, wake up, freshen up. Main things is making my bed, meditating, and journaling. These are the three things that I always try to follow. So that is my 1 hour how I want to spend in the morning. Now coming to our habit two, that is daily movement. So working on my health is something that has always been a thing in my life, and no matter the difference that it has created, like from then till now, but every time that I worked out, I felt so good, not just about myself, about everything in life. Like you're working out and then everything just feels like good. You go to gym, you go for a walk and you see other people working on themselves and you're like, life is so simple. Like wake up, do your things and go back to bed. Now coming to habit three. Habit three is eating clean and healthy food. I cannot stress enough on how much impact this does on your body, on your skin, on your hair. I mean, any sort of intake, be it the air we breathe, the food we eat, the knowledge we consume, you can automatically see the impact it has on your body. And one of the most important intakes is the food you eat. My whole goal about eating healthy and clean food is that it should be home cooked, and if it is not home cooked also, if I'm eating from out, I should try my best to eat less of processed, less of fried, less of sugar. And now if you're wondering, okay, okay, I get it, eat healthy, but what exactly does eating healthy mean? Then to me, like what I follow is it should be rich in protein, it should have a lot of fiber, and carbohydrates mediocre is fine, and fat should be low. And now coming to habit four, spending 1 hour a day working on yourself mentally, as in it could be reading, it could be any sort of skill that you have been wanting to learn for a while, or something that you would do if you don't have to worry about your college, your school, or your career. Something that you would otherwise would have loved spending time on. Taking 1 hour a day, half an hour, anything that suits you, gives you time. Just spending some time on yourself to do something that you've always enjoyed doing. For me, it's reading. I mean, I think you can tell that I enjoy my share of reading. But for you, it can be playing guitar, learning a new language, learning a new instrument, anything. When we spend time, it be a very little time, but when we spend a little time on a regular basis on something, firstly, of course, we learn something new, we learn a new skill or a new language. But there is always this satisfaction, okay, I'm working on myself, I'm doing something productive, I'm giving time to myself, and I'm just not working for others, I'm also working for myself. Coming to the final habit, the fifth habit, that is having a wind up routine. So now, what are the habits that I would include? I mean, what are the things I would do in my night routine or winding up routine? So staying away from gadgets, freshening up at night. I cannot tell you how good a sleep I've been getting since I've started following this. Next thing is reading. I thoroughly like relish reading at night. And after reading for a little while, I like to journal. I have this journal called 5 Minute Journal, and it's wonders. It works wonders. Just spending 5 minutes, and you don't have to have a journal. You can take a random diary and at the end of the day, just write things that you're grateful for, things that made you happy. Look back on your day, and you can think of where you could have been a better person. This gives you time to take a minute back and look at your whole day and just be a better version the next day. Now that we know what the five habits are, how do we record our progress? How do we, track our progress on a daily, on a weekly basis? So this is something that I've made for myself for the next 5 weeks, and I'll obviously add it in the description. Go use it, and then maybe at the end of 5 weeks, we can all share our progress sheets with each other and see how well we have done. Okay, and now, so what are these 5 weeks? So I'll be posting a weekly vlog to show how my progress has been going on, and feel free to comment how your progress is going on or how your week has been. So let's start this journey for 5 weeks so that we can kick in 2025 with being a better version of ourselves. Thank you. Thank you so much. I cannot believe I vlogged for so long.